Hello everyone, today I have a small Dollar Tree haul and a small Bath & Body Works haul. I'm just going to mash those together, combine them in one video, hope nobody minds, because I literally got 5 things from each place. And I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree stuff. I went to a Dollar Tree that I hadn't been to in a really long time, and they really didn't have anything new except for these 5 items that I found. From the normal and regular dollar store that I frequent, or Dollar Tree. So I'll just share with you what I found. So I was excited when I found some of these 2019 calendars. I got this floral print one. Now the ones they had last year were prettier in the floral print actually, but I like this one above overall in comparison to the other ones. Also last year they had rip out corners so you could tell your place where you are in the planner. But I grabbed this because I thought it was cute and I'm gonna need a new one for 2019. Some nail art stencil stickers that I found. Now I found these at my other Dollar Tree, but not this particular one. And I just love that like geometric-y kind of triangle design there, and I'm looking forward to testing these out and trying them out in a video for you guys, so stay tuned for that Dollar Tree video. Love that. You get 10 in there, so a full manicure, but I am probably going to half that and make it into 2 manicures. We shall see. And then I found a makeup case. It's like a cylinder one. You could use this for a pencil case actually, but they had pineapples, mermaids, unicorns, another one I believe, and then they had this flamingo one, and I just really have always been fond of flamingos, and it's colorful, and I grabbed this up. It's just a cosmetic bag. Facial wipes, and I have been on the look for these. They are the black wipes, the 30 count black wipes, and they're the charcoal detoxifying wipes. Now these have claims on them: removes light makeup, draws out dirt, oil, cleans or leaves your face feeling clean and refreshed. So I did pick up 2 of these, and I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree review on these, so you guys stay tuned for that, as well as the Dollar Tree nail sticker video, because I'm doing both of those soon. And that's all that I found at the Dollar Tree, but I was super excited for those wipes. Now at a local vendor's mall, which is basically like a flea market or something like that, if you're familiar with that, it's a lot of different booths, different people set their stuff up. There's a Bath and Body Works booth at mine, and so I got some pocket bags. And the vendor has them for $1.75. I don't know if that is right around, I think it is right around the price that they actually are in store or online. But I wanted some new handbags, so I got my unicorn, made me do it. Now they don't have everything in stock at this one. Like I said, it's just a little vendor booth and slim pickings really, but I'm happy with what I found there. I got pumpkin cupcake. Also a little disappointed they didn't have fall stuff other than some handbags though, but they probably sold out of it. Fall Lakeside Breeze, got that handbag. So got 3 handbags, and then this is an older scent, but I've had it before and it just smells amazing. So I grabbed the lotion of the Velvet Sugar, and I am completely stocked on my Bath & Body Works now. You guys don't need to get anything else. She had this for $11.50. $12.50 regularly. So I picked up this, and then I also picked up the Velvet Sugar spray. This smells so good, lasts so long on the skin, and then use any body wash you want, and then pair your spray and your lotion with it. Lasts longer when you combine them like that. You could do the shower gel too, but it wasn't down there. $14 regularly, and I got it for $12.99. So they sell a little bit cheaper, probably because she got them on sale. I don't know. Either way, these are new, never been used, and I was excited to share this stuff with you. That is all 10 items from Dollar Tree and Bath & Body Works. hope you enjoyed the mini haul. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. Don't forget to check that description box for additional Dollar Tree links. And thanks again for watching.